Soul for a test drive coming out here. Thanks, neighbor, for letting me out. And I'm just going to take the Kia Soul for a test drive to see how it is. I'm going over a speed bump right now. Nice little vehicle I have going on over here. It's pretty nifty. It's like kind of like a minivan slash SUV. I don't know what to call it, but I just know it's a pretty cool car. It's come to a stop. Braking's pretty decent, waiting for people to cross the street. All right. It's a lot of space in this vehicle. That's one thing I have to give it. There is a ton of space in here. All right, you can do a lot of things in here, like pack a lot of groceries or move or something. All right, I'm gonna go over this little speed bump. Boom, and then slow to a stop, just like that. And then gonna keep on cruising around, see what it's all about around here. All right, now this vehicle, the steering wheel is kind of small. I mean, that's one thing I noticed. For a B vehicle this size, I wasn't expecting for the steering wheel to be this small, but oh well, seems to be working. A nice day out. As you can see, looking here, you can go ahead and take a glance at all the features and functions that it has in here. It's really relatively simple, and I think Kia wanted to do that with this vehicle, to just keep the thing like really simple. You know, not for simple-minded people, just for, you know, for simplistic reasons, so people can concentrate on other things like the road or what they're gonna eat for dinner. So yeah, right now I have this on economy mode. Let me look at the steering wheel really quick. The steering wheel goes through like the drive modes and everything like here. So it was on economy mode so I can save gas, but I just turned that off because I don't want to save gas. I want to have a little bit more performance going on right here. So I'm just gonna get in here, wait for traffic. I'm a bigger guy, like on the heavier side, so it's just like, I like how much space that it has, that it affords me to have in here. So that's pretty cool. Wait for the cars to go by, people coming out, getting out of work and everything. Steering wheel's kind of cool, has features on here for turning the volume up for music, turning it down for music, a lot of things, like the lights are right here. Just pretty much your standard type of controls in the vehicle. Like I said, they keep it simple, which is cool. Wait for the people to drive to go across the street. Now the turning radius, it's not that sharp, and I think the reason why is because this is a little bit higher off the ground, and they want to make sure that no one like tips the vehicle over. This would be my guess. So I'm just gonna cruise around the strip a little bit, see what's going on. Steering wheel. I need to adjust the steering wheel, but I'm gonna do that once I stop. If you guys need to learn how to adjust the steering wheel, you can go ahead and do that. Okay, the mode, I have it in sport mode actually right now. It was in economy mode, but on the dashboard I switched to sport mode, which is pretty cool for like a little bit more performance. I don't know what you can get this vehicle to perform like, but I guess that's a little bit more performance. But yeah, this is the Kia Soul. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you've had one of these vehicles before, and what was your experience with this. It does have quite a bit of pickup when I have it in sport mode. Just before I let you guys go, the sport mode actually does give it a little bit more power, but not a whole bunch. So I'm just gonna drive around here like with sport mode, you know, see what this bad boy has. Oh, the braking was superb. I had to press the brake really aggressively right there because this guy doesn't know how to drive properly in these type of conditions. Right there. All right, yeah, let me know what you guys think about it. This is the Kia Soul 2018 version. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up, please. It helped me out a lot, you know. Oh, I'm gonna turn this corner. Oh, look, did you see that guy right there try to cut in front of me? The braking system helped me out a little bit on this one. I'm just gonna turn right here, go down the street. Yeah, but so yeah, you people, let me know what you think. Let me know what your experiences are with this vehicle, how you like it and everything. All right, thanks a lot. That's my test drive of this vehicle. Talk to you soon.